Why KYC and why is it so important? Know this and keep your money safe. So the season of mainnet is upon us. In just a few days, it will launch, and do you know what that means? It becomes a coin, and a coin that can be traded, exchanged with fiat money. It also means that the Pi will have its own value, and will have a huge advantage in getting into the market. The price prediction for Pi coin when it's launched? We would get into that, and why it's so important on the eve of mainnet. How it works. What does it protect me from? All these and more, in this video, so stay locked in. Hi there, I am glad to welcome you to another Bashbox video. Kindly take a minute to hit the like and subscribe button. We thank every subscriber, and all our loyal viewers so far. To get daily updates on Shiba Inu, and other crypto-related news, hit the notification bell, not to miss an important information. With that being said, let's get right to it. KYC means Know Your Customer. It is a permanent verification in order for you to make transactions with Pi coin exchanging with other cryptocurrencies in the future. So why is it so important? Know Your Customer/client, KYC, is the cycle that confirms ID to recognize real records from counterfeit ones. The vision of Pi Network is to fabricate a comprehensive, and the most broadly conveyed advanced money and economy for all pioneers. The mining instrument of Pi Network is an informal organization based, and the mining rate parts as the informal organization size developed by 10x. In this manner, Pi has a severe arrangement of one record for every individual. This requires a serious level of exactness to build up that individuals in the organization are certifiable people, keeping people from having the option to store Pi by making counterfeit records unjustifiably. KYC consequently guarantees the genuine humanness of the organization. The KYC information gathered is utilized exclusively to check the pioneer's personality, and to be agreeable with anti-money laundering, AML, and against psychological oppression guidelines. They have never sold any KYC information and won't do as such without your assent. So how does it work? Pi Network's KYC arrangement is being worked through our Pi App Engine as a biological system application. Remember that this arrangement endeavors to make a harmony among exactness and protection, while accomplishing versatility for a huge number of KYC, wide inclusion of different populaces, and openness. KYC arrangement itself consolidates machine computerization and human confirmation to achieve precise and proficient KYC for everybody. Machine computerization will be liable for picture handling, text extraction, counterfeit ID identification, liveness check, and picture correlation. KYC'd human verifiers may then need to check for mistakes. The significance of having and further developing the machine mechanization part is twofold. 1. Versatility to KYC a great many pioneers, and 2. Decreasing the information openness to human verifiers to all the more likely ensure pioneers' security. What's the usefulness? Explicitly to secure individual pioneers' protection. Individual information aside from information the machine neglected to peruse will be appropriately redacted. Human verifiers will see a redacted adaptation of your ID archive, implying that your photograph and generally speaking look of your ID will be apparent. Verifiers will then, at that point, set up whether your personal ID is a similar kind as you expressed in the information structure, and if the individual pictured in your ID is truly you. I heard about a KYC slot. What does it mean? Each coin differs slightly in the KYC verification process. The Pi Network randomly selects 100,000 users and performs KYC verification, and once this is completed, 100,000 users are randomly selected again. Currently, Pi Network entrusts the KYC certification to a certification body called YOTI in the UK and processes it. If you are selected as 1 in 100,000, information is activated in a pop-up message and profile within the app, and the authentication timeout is only 24 hours, after which the authentication opportunity disappears. But there is no need to worry. The Pi Core team explained that KYC will be conducted for all remaining users in the future. Most users have not yet received KYC verification instructions. If you missed the certification opportunity this time, the next one will surely come back. To stop multiple account, PI opens 1,000,000/slots every month, i.e., these many people fill KYC every month. Here's how to go about it. Open Pi. On the front screen is a button to update KYC. Click on it and the following window pops up. Attached is a screenshot of the process. Pi uses a third-party application YOTI to fill KYC. YOTI asks for following things. 1. Personal details. Photo, name, address, date of birth, contact number, email, gender, and nationality, and even a small video. 2. ID documents, passport, or driving license. 3. Password. 4. Have your say. Filling in the details should not take more than 20 minutes. Yoti takes some time to verify, so be prepared for that. After completing Yoti form, you need to open Pi application again. Go to Profile and under Account Verification, you will get a link to connect Pi with Yoti. Click it. After few seconds your profile will show identity verification. So what if I did not complete KYC in the Pi network? Pi accounts without KYC will not enter mainnet phase, so your Pi may be burned out. Watch for your KYC slot to fill up KYC before mainnet. Pi says it will provide chance of KYC for each and every pioneers in the network. Pi is also building application for KYC verification. Do not worry, you will have your KYC done before mainnet starts. And if you don't, well, that's not good. If you don't complete KYC, Pi Network will not be able to verify your account. Will I lose my Pi coins if my invited members didn't complete KYC? You will lose only 25% of their basic mining rate which you have earned when they were mining. This will be returned when they do KYC. In the spirit of mainnet, this question needs to be asked. Will Pi coin be worth anything? When will Pi crypto have value or be worth something? The Pi network cryptocurrency is currently worth nothing as it is in stage 2 development and has not yet launched on the blockchain, but a back-end marketplace already has users exchanging the currency for up to $10 a coin. Some users have said that when the coin launches on exchanges, expected in 2021, it may reach a value close to that of Ethereum at $200 or possibly more. This would mean if you had mined over 1,000 coins on the Pi network app, you would be sitting on a balance of $200,000. More about mainnet. Mainnet is the final destination for all cryptocurrencies. It means that no longer borrow the consensus method of other coins and have completely independent technology. Few coins have this technology because it is a very difficult skill. Therefore, it is very rare that a cryptocurrency completes the mainnet before listing on the exchange. Most cryptocurrencies aim to be listed first, so they end up with a scam or have very low prices. However, despite numerous criticisms, Pi Network has been concentrating solely on mainnet development for over 2 years. Many people have asked when the Pi will be listed, but Pi thought about technology development and ecosystem building first. As a result, mainnet is now on the verge of completion and has over 18 million users. If the mainnet is completed before entering the market, there is a high probability that a very high price will be formed. That's all. Disclaimer. Please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder. If investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this.